Okay guys, today we're going to do something that we did last week because I had so much fun doing this with you guys that I thought, why not do it again? But this time we're going to do it a little bit different. We are going to be graphing again. So we're going to be cutting out those pictures, gluing them where they go. But this time we're going to be graphing them based on what size they are. Big, medium, or small. So go grab your worksheet that says size graph and your scissors and your glue and your pencil. And you're going to need a crayon marker or something to color with. And then come back and we'll do it together. Okay, I'm really excited about this because I told you guys we're going to be doing some more of that graphing. So the first thing we want to do is read the directions and tells us to cut out the pictures at the bottom of this page. Glue them next to the matching picture on the graph. Answer the questions. So the first thing we got to do is cut out all of these raindrop pictures at the bottom of this page. So pause the video, go cut these out, and then come back and we'll do this together. All of my pictures are cut out and I'm ready to find the raindrop that they match with and glue them next to it. So this one's similar to the graph we did last week, except now we're not graphing pictures. We're graphing raindrops based on what size they are. So what I want to do is pick up each one of my raindrops and go match it with the raindrop that is exactly the same size. So I'm going to hold it up to each one and see which one matches. Oh, I think it matches that bigger one. So I'm going to place it in the box next to the bigger raindrop. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the next one and see which one it matches with. Okay, so I'm going to hold it up next to big, medium, small. I'm thinking that it matches with medium. So I'm going to move it over here, place it in the box next to the medium raindrops. So I'm going to try another one. I'm going to test it out. Let's see. Big? No. Medium? No. Small? Oh, yep, I think it's a small one. So I'm going to place it in the box next to the small raindrops. So you kind of get the idea of how I am doing this. So you guys can go finish placing all your raindrops where they go and then come back and we will see if you're correct. And we'll also answer these two questions that are at the bottom of this worksheet. Okay, so check your graph and see if it matches mine. We're going to count and see how many raindrops we have in each category. So for the bigger raindrops, count with me and let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 large raindrops. Now let's count the medium raindrops and see how many there are of those. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 medium raindrops. All right, now let's count the small ones and see how many there are of those. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are also 3 small raindrops. So now that we have placed all of them where they go on the graph, it's time to come down here and answer the 2 questions. So we always answer questions about the graph after we kind of analyze it and see what our graph is going to look like. So let's read number 1 together. Color the picture below that has the most. Okay, so it wants us to look and see which one has the most pictures glued next to it. We're going to color that raindrop in. So it's either small, medium, or large. So my friends, which one has the most pictures next to it? The large raindrops. That's correct. So we're going to come down here and color in the large raindrop. I'm just going to use my pencil for this. You guys feel free to use crayons, markers, whatever you have at your house. I'm coloring the large raindrop because it has the most. All right, let's look at the next question and see what it is asking us. Color the 2 pictures below that have the same amount. So there are 2 of these raindrops, either large, medium, or small, that have the same amount of pictures. So let's look. Which 2 have the same amount? Medium and small. That's right, because when we counted, they both had 3 raindrops. So that means that medium and small both have the same amount. So I'm going to color in medium and small because they both have the same amount. Very nice job, friends. Thank you so much for doing this graphing activity with me. These are so much fun, so we're definitely going to do some more of these. Keep up the awesome work, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.